Good morning. Welcome to Bandra Bazaar, the filthiest, ugliest. This is Bandra Bazaar, and I've been documenting it for last 15 years or so. Nothing much has changed here, nothing much will change. Whether there are elections or no elections or whatever. Whether it's a new local representative, a new corporator, this place is still the same. It will always remain the same. Nothing can change it. I live here, so I feel for it. Otherwise, there's no reason for me to shoot it. And this is Swachh Bharat. I hope you can see it. This is Swachh Bharat that has failed miserably at Bandra Bazaar Road. This is the filthiest, ugliest part of Bandra. Even ministers that come here, all the top-notch ministers that come to our area, don't come through this path. They come via Bandra reclamation. So they don't see this eyesore. Then you have the chicken trucks here. These are the chicken trucks. They cause traffic snarls. This is the chicken trucks. So this is Bandra Bazaar Road. I've shot maybe over 200 videos, but nothing much has happened. I've shot so many images, but the DMC can't do anything about it. These are the chicken trucks. Jai Maharashtra from Bandra Bazaar Road. Wish you all the best. And today is the first Jummah of Ramzan. Ramzan Kareem. Ramzan Mubarak to all of you. And hope some changes come. If not now, at least in the time of my grandchildren or great grandchildren or whatever. Good morning from Bandra Bazaar. Let me introduce you to a lucky kid. This is the lucky kid of Bandra, fast asleep. What is happening around the world, he does not know. He does not need to know. He does odd jobs. This is the best time to sleep. Lucky kids. This is Lucky Kids. The story of lucky kids. Right at the back is the dog that barks. He hates my dressing. So this is the story of a lucky kid of Bandra. These are street stories that I visualize, and God helps me on the way. So this is Bandra Bazaar Road, the filthiest, dirtiest, ugliest place in Bandra, where I stay. This is the Aga Khani Jamaat Khana. And Bandra Bazaar Road is the only place where you have hawkers waiting for Achhe Din. That definitely is not going to come. Not here in Bandra Bazaar at least. Both sides of the road you have illegal hawkers. There is nothing you can do about it. They don't have kiosks or stalls. That is one dead rat. This dog Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. So this. Assalamualaikum. सब ठीक है? This is the lost angel in Bandra. She lost her way. And that's little Cupid. She looks a bit stupid. But this lady, I love her. She's amazing. So, all my stories originate at Bandra. Most of them. And this is Bandra Bazaar Road. And the amazing part of Bandra Bazaar Road are these by-lanes. You should check them out. Old houses. This is an old shop for Catholic religious articles. It's called Sallo, Martin and Son. काय दादा बरं आहे तुम्ही? आम्हाला विसरून गेले तुम्ही. So I give you this very quiet Bandra Bazaar Road. If you come in the daytime, it's very. This is St. Joseph's Chapel. It is part of Mount Carmel. It's a very beautiful. I have never been inside, but I shoot at all them. And the funny thing about Bandra is, wherever you go, you can't miss this. This is the mosque, the Khoja Shia Mosque. And today is the first Jummah of Ramzan. And Hussein is a lamp of guidance and the ark of salvation. So, the chapel there and the mosque here live side by side in harmonious peace. And this is a one-way street. But this is our De Costa bakery. And this is Jesus Christ. Can't miss him. He's there at every street corner. And that is the house of my friend Ollie, who sells East Indian masala. This is the house of Clarence Gomes of Bandra Times. And he's written something. Sin is a short word, but with a long sentence. Sin is a short word, but with a long sentence. So this is Bandra. How are you, sir?
Good morning.
Yeah. This is another by-lane of Bandra Bazaar Road. Should check it out. This is an East Indian house. This is a one-way street for two-way traffic. And this stretch is fruit sellers without shops. This is another by-lane. Should check it out. It's an amazing place, Bandra Bazaar Road. So, Assalamualaikum Chacha, kaise ho? He sells bananas. He's a very good man, very honest man. This is another national bakery. And this is receive money here. And this is the cross of Jesus. It has all kinds of emblems on it, of the carpenter, the plumber, the laborer, the house constructor. This is मैं समझा तुम wood, we need wood. There is. So this is Mustafa Bhai. Assalamu alaikum. He's a very good man, very honest fruit seller. He's also waiting for a stall. So this is Bandra Bazaar Road. There are many parts of Bandra Bazaar Road. I am shooting just one part of Bandra Bazaar Road. There is a part of Bandra Bazaar Road that extends to De Monte Street, another behind which extends to Ram Mandir. And this is coming to the end of Bandra Bazaar Road. Right in front of me is Baroda Road. This side is Chapel Road. And this guy sells fashion on the road. जयराम जी की धंधा पानी कैसा है आपका? मेरे को देख के क्यों खुश हो रहे हो?
क्या डिजाइन है यार, क्या आप क्या बात है?
मैं यार गरीब आदमी हूँ,
गरीब से तो व्यवहार करना अच्छा है।
मैं फकीर आदमी हूँ।
आप लोगों को देखिए, धन्यवाद।
See, they sell shirts at the corner of Bandra. These are Jeff Caterers. And this road leads towards Hill Road. It's called St. Peter's Road. And this was Bandra Bazaar Road. So now we enter, that is Chapel Road. And this is a very iconic cross in between Chapel Road and Bandra Bazaar Road. In between Chapel Road, Bazaar Road and Baroda Road, sorry. And that is Jesus. It's a very beautiful cross. And I love shooting Bandra. It has so much of character, it has depth, and it has story. And it has heritage. And it's the pride of East Indians. They made Bandra. And they were all evicted from here. Bad luck. Uttan, Nala Sopara and various parts of the suburbs. And now we enter Baroda Road. This is Baroda Road. This is my morning walk. There is this red letter box. This is a place that I always liked. Somehow I don't know what makes me shoot this place. I haven't gone inside. And this is a huge banyan tree. I hope Sayyid Qasim, my friend from Delhi and Lucknow, likes it. Huge. This bungalow. This is all East Indian heritage. And this is the garden, a jungle of Baroda Road with all kinds of animals. I have shot this earlier too. The person who has created this jungle land. Morning. This is it. This is Baroda Road and this is a bylane. This is Baroda Road. This guy loves stuffed toys and that is Jesus Christ watching the world go by. And this is the paper man. कैसे हो तुम?
बस ठीक हूँ।
काम धंधा?
काम धंधा चल रहा है।
So these are the paper man that supplies paper, newspaper, and that is Sara. Sara, dil hai tumhara. And this is a mound of a green Venus. So this is Baroda Road. किधर गया बॉब, किधर गया? This is Bob Taylor's very famous gents tailor, and sometimes wonder why we even wear niqab. This is another Jesus, again paying tribute to the workers, laborers, carpenters of Bandra. And that's Jesus Christ, our Savior, Messiah. Bandra, it has a very unique character. And that is Shandar, Zabardast, Zindabad. Once Mr. Amitabh Bachchan was part of this world, but then they drove him out. That's another beautiful place. Just imagine. This is what I call rustic Bandra. This is Manoville. This is another path, by lane of Baroda Road, that will take you to Chapel Road. And this is Alpers. I love the cock on the top. Amazing place. And that was the house of my friend Ivan, who was a Catholic photographer who died recently. He was a very, very dear friend of mine. We used to shoot St. Peter's Church and Stanislaus School together. They had a great relationship, but then he is no more. All that remains in his house, and that is Alpers. So this is St. Stanislaus. Has a lot of land here. Hope they build a beautiful hospital for cancer patients. And this is known as Church Street. This takes you to Chapel Road. This is Vandes Villa. This is another beautiful house. It's another house I love. And Jesus is the sentinel here. He's the guardian of this house. And this is the rear entry of St. Stanislaus School and St. Peter's. And that is St. Stanislaus School. This is Narona Apartments. This was a wall. It's gone to seed. It was painted by the kids. So I'm lucky I'm living in Bandra. I'm originally from Colaba Strand Cinema. Before that I was at Colaba Woodhouse Road. So almost 30 years of my life has been in Colaba. And the rest of my life, last 30 years I've been living in Bandra, De Monte Street, and then Bandra Reclamation. I used to play tennis for 5 years under great coach Surendra Pawar ji. When I gave it up, I started walking. My sugar levels have gone high. So I walk, I talk, and I shoot. I shoot Bandra. And this is a place that hurts me the most. Sarji! Oh Sarji! Oh Sarji! जयराम जी की। आपका नाम बताइए। हर वक्त मैं आपका नाम भूल जाता हूँ। केडी गुप्ता। ओ मस्तान ले पैसा ले। This is the madman of Bandra Bazaar Road. This is Mr. K.D. Gupta. His son is my best friend, Roshan Gupta. And that's the shop there. He has another shop. His snacks are very good. You should try them out.
Thank you.
So this is, that was the madman who was going there. I've been documenting him too. And this is Hora Burger. Or Karim Bhai. And this is my friend, the barber. He comes here every morning. इधर तो चेहरा दिखाओ यार. He comes here every morning. He's a very good man. And this is Jai Bhim. Jai Bhim. This is the other thing that you see in the mornings are the coconut sellers. Coconut sellers of Bandra. And this is Baroda Road. Take it easy, God. I mean, can you believe that? Take it easy, God. Take it easy, God. And this is a beautiful banyan tree. And this is another house that has fascinated me the most at Bandra. It's being renovated. This is a fantastic place. This is a friend's house. He mostly lives abroad. This is all old property, old houses, heritage. This is Baroda Road, Shanti Sadan. This is just another brick in the wall. Okay, so you take a trip with me to Baroda Road. That is Jesus Christ. Good morning, sir. How are you? This is Mehdi Cottage. Drowning the ocean of alternatives. This is another lane that connects to Bandra Hill Road, and I call this lady the Bombay Bitch. She's an amazing lady. She's also waiting for good days. Achhe din. This is my friend Jude Pereira's house. It's the most unique place in Bandra. Baroda Road. It has not changed. And that is my friend. Hello there. Good morning, sir. अभी आप ही की बात कर रहा था. मैं बोला मेरा दोस्त का घर है ये. Praise Jesus. This road leads to Ranvar. From here you can go to Ranvar, Veronica Street. And now I'll be coming to the end of Baroda Road. That is a tattoo studio. This is all East Indian heritage. That is Jesus Christ. And that is Qureshi Heights, built by Babu Qureshi Saab, a great social activist and father of my friends Khalid Qureshi ji and Imran Saab. I was living here just next to this place during post-93 Hindu-Muslim riots. This is the house of Mr. Mendes. I haven't seen him for ages. Now, when I lived in this lane, this is Veronica Street that leads you to Ranvar. I stayed with Basil Pereira, Agnes Pereira. They took good care of me. And this is a lady I loved and lost. is Ranbar. Defacing walls is another pastime of crazy Mumbaikars. कैसे है भैया तुम? आज काम नहीं है क्या? Sir Baba, very good man. So this is Bandra, Baroda. This is Judy, the newspaper guy. There is Jesus over there. That is Firdaus. This is this will lead you to Ranbar. And this is my friend Eric Cardoza's service center for bikes. This is and that's the casting couch. After the Me Too, it has gone out of work. It's no more in circulation. Once upon a time, it had a great following. A lot of people came and sat on this and got screwed also. And this is Baroda Road, where gods and garbage live together. This is something I shoot every morning. This is Lord Ganesha, Dilo mein rahe hamesha. And this is the garbage at Baroda Road. I'm coming to the end of Baroda. This was a second-hand bookstall of an old Khoja gentleman. That's a lovely banyan tree at the back. That is the bakery over there. Bakery. My friend Jangir used to own it. I don't know what happened to it. This is another second-hand bookstall. I shot the video. There was a mercantile bank here. So now my friend Marcus Betts used to live in this lane. Now he's no more. This is Baroda Road. This is September 1913, erected in Mabri. This is an icon at Bandra Hill Road, Baroda Road. It's an amazing place during the rains. I'm heading towards Bandra Hill Road. Owners of Kalidas Provision Stores, the oldest store in Bandra. This is my friend Jitesh. And this is Bandra, part of Hill Road, and that is Yacht, where I spent part of my life drinking. I used to come here early mornings. ठीक है आप? So this is Yacht. Yacht. And that is St. Paul's Road. And this is St. Andrew Church. Father Nedis Rodriguez, Father Stephen Nazareth, these were my mentors here. The most beautiful church. In Bandra, it's a heritage. I once ran away from home. I was a kid, I was beaten by my dad. So I came to Bandra. I didn't know Bandra, and I came to meet Father Stephen Nazareth. Father, I walked all the way from the station here. I must have come without a ticket. I told Father I wanted to live I was running away actually. I thought I'd meet him and go to some place. I don't know what. I was a young kid, crazy kid. And Father Stephen has fed me, gave me some money, took me to the station. And that one Catholic priest changed my life. Or I would have been a vagabond. There would have been no trace of Firoz Shakir. So I owe a lot to Jesus Christ. My humble schooling was at private European school, part of the John the Baptist Church, Methodist Church. So I've been introduced to Jesus maybe 1955 or something. After that it was Holy Name for maybe 11 years or 10 years, whatever, because I took a double promotion from the 4th to the 6th. Spent most of my time at the Holy Name Cathedral, and then finally I came to Bandra, and Darrell Loyola, my friend, introduced me to St. Peter's Church, and from that day onwards I gave my heart to the church. I've been shooting the Latin Mass, I've been shooting almost every function of St. Peter's Church, Bandra. And Father Juan is my godfather. Father Gerard, Father Laurie, these are people that have molded me and made me a good human being. So this is St. Andrew's Church. And once you die, everybody forgets you, but some remember you. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
Very well.
So the dog is going to church too with his master. So this is St. Peter Church, Bandra. And there you have opposite a police van. We have a police van there even. And faith is, and this is Chimbai Road. Faith is an investment that never loses interest. So this is the second part of my trip. This is the Dhobi. And this is a path that everyone uses to go to Mr. Salman Khan's house at Galaxy. He's the major attraction, the biggest icon of Bandra, the only actor who helps the poor. And his father Salim Khan Sahab, is a very noble man, amazing man. I love him the most. His life is beyond caste, color or creed. He is a Muslim, he is everything. He has love for every religion, he has love for every faith, just like me. And so people who are really radicalized Muslims or fundamental thinking Muslims don't like people like us. Because we live in India, we are Indians, and we give respect to everyone irrespective of their caste, color or creed. And this is a water fountain that I also shoot. And that is Khoja Florist, a very old florist, my Shia family. Okay, this is the water fountain. It's not working now, but normally it does. So, right across is a most hideous art installation. So this is Parvez Khan. This is the cemetery inside St. Andrew Church. The most ugliest art installation. Before this, the other art installation was worse than this. But then, this is Bandra. My friend Wendell Gomes used to live here. He died. So this is the road leading to Bandra Bandstand, where I've been walking. I didn't walk yesterday. I was walking for. This is these are mostly the Falcons live this side. Falcons are East Indian, very old fishing community. and they're spread all over Bandra. I have some memories of Falcon of Chimbai. And this is a coconut seller who does a lot of business here. These are where the Falcons stay. This is their house. Very beautiful place. That is Mr. Salman. And this is Bandra Bandstand. That is where Mr. Salman Khan stays. I did his first film, Biwi Ho To Aisi. And I have a good relationship with him. This is Bandra Bandstand. And these are people at Bandra Bandstand waiting for help, financial, medical. And they've come here for Salman Khan's foundation. Every morning there's a huge crowd over here and lots of people. And that is Galaxy where Mr. Salman Khan stays, and these are people. And these are the homeless. So an entire family that has come from Samastipur and have made Mumbai their home. That is Chimbai. These are अरे कैसे हो सर आप? मैं बोला थोड़ा
Handily, hi.
हाउ यू?
Good man.
अब मच्छियों का क्या हो रहा है? ब्रीडिंग गया कि बंद कर दिया?
It's still breathing.
चलो टेक केयर. सो दीज आर द पीपल. Now continue my walk. Carter Road is gone to the dogs, literally. So one saving grace is Bandra Bandstand. That is Chimbai. And these are the workers' families living here. So, बताओ सर. स्टोरी बनाता हूँ मैं. बस थैंक यू सर. गॉड ब्लेस यू. माय ओल्डेस्ट फ्रेंड यार. अभी मार्कुस की याद आ रही थी. People use the sea as a toilet. There was a toilet to be built there right opposite where the people are sitting for Salman Khan Foundation. Or how are you? But they got it removed. It would have been an eyesore. And this is Bandra Bandstand, and those are walkers. All in all, it takes me about 2 hours from my house to Bandstand to Mount Mary. And these are my walker friends. This is the sea and the toilets of the sea. This is a gym. This is my morning walk. My mobile phone is on a handmade gimbal so it's pretty safe. Otherwise, Vivo V11 Pro has fantastic optics. This is the Jib. कैसे हो आप? कैसे हो आप?
ठीक हूँ। अच्छा,
क्या करते क्या हैं आप?
कुछ नहीं,
अच्छा,
काम ही नहीं।
बट वो उधर सलमान खान के उधर नहीं जाते हो?
जाता हूँ, बैठता हूँ, चला जाता हूँ।
हाँ,
जाता हूँ 5 मिनट बैठता फिर चला जाता
पर कुछ देते नहीं आपको?
हूँ। कुछ नहीं।
ठीक है. So this is the gym. One of the most beautiful person of Bandra was Mr. Wahidna. He had a store called Wahidna Store and Wahidna Florist that was run by Dildar. Mr. Wahidna was a very nice man. He gave his other shop, he sold it to Cheap Jack, to Akbar Bhai. And Akbar Bhai knows the importance of the nobility and humility of Mr. Wahidna. These are young lovers. Searching for the horizon of hope. Hardly any mangroves left here. And these bandstand rocks are quite famous for lovers. They all come here with a lot of hope. This is walkers. No pets. This is my friend. क्या सर, क्या हम लोगों के लिए भी कुछ लाया करो यार. This is Mr. विजय रावल.
दूध गाँव का दे रहा है, वहाँ पे ले लेना.
अच्छा, और क्या बोल रहे हो? सब ठीक है?
कभी भेजोगे मेरे को?
हाँ, भेजता. That's Mr. Vijay Raval, stays at Mona Lisa. Very good, my friend. And this is Pigeon Land. Okay. These are the stray dogs of bandstand. And now I come to a very important story of my walk. I've been shooting it for a very long time. ओए, इधर क्या कर रही है? अभी वापस गए नहीं तुम लोग? समस्तीपुर हो ना? समस्तीपुर गए नहीं? क्यों? This girl and her family has come from Samastipur, Bihar. They're seeking help from Mr. Salman Khan. And Mr. Salman Khan has no time for them. So this is it. But they are asking financial help. Now the story that I want to tell you, it's a very important part of my walk, is the madman Bandra Bandstand. He's in the red t-shirt. He's been sitting there for many years. I mean, a long time, since I started walking here, a month and a half. And I shoot him. He's the madman. What's his story? I don't know. But he lives on the rocks. He lives on the rocks. He has some water bottles. When he gets tired of the rocks, then he comes and sits over here on the promenade. But his story is as intriguing as the story of another man. These are the homeless, faceless, nameless people of Mumbai, who have made Mumbai their home. That's him. And this is No Pets, No Smoking, Bandra history. This is bandstand.
कहाँ से हैं आप?
Mumbai. So the walkers, the grass is never green on the other side. And this is the richer side of Bandra. It's not an ordinary Bandra. This the rich man's Bandra. Oh. This is another patch of mangrove. We're building an amphitheatre there. This is, for those that don't know Bandra Bandstand, this is Bandra Bandstand. Houses of Mr. Salman Khan, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, Rekha Ji, you find in this stretch. Mr. Shatrughan Sinha also had a house here at Devi. My friends Karan Adarsh, Mr. Aziz Mirza also had house here on Bandstand. This is those are the rocks. People love mountains, valleys. I prefer Mumbai, I prefer the sea. These are sleeping dogs of Bandra. So work is going on at a very slow pace. People still walk here, unlike Carter Road, which is impossible to walk. Then there is another promenade called the Bandra Reclamation Promenade, which is really bad in terms of access. No, Mr. Ashish Shelar, Advocate Ashish Shelar, our MLA, is trying to really do something about it. He's doing a lot of work for the sports facility The only thing lacking in Bandra for the poor and the common man is the swimming pool. I hope he does that too. So this, I'll be coming to an end of Bandstand. And then I climb up Cane Road. The toughest climb for me. Today I'm not carrying my stick in order to hold this gimbal. So now on the rocks there is a pure water outlet where people come to bathe. A lot of milk being sold here. This is cow ghee. What are you selling?
Sorry, sir?
What are you selling?
So this is premium type of milk, Woohoo milk.
Okay.
So it's A1 and A2 type of milk. It's an organic milk, 100% organic milk. We don't use any kind of preservatives, any kind of hormones or any kind of chemicals
Okay.
in this type of milk.
And how much you sell it for?
So this A1 and A2 type, which we call it as regular milk, it will cost you 80 rupees per liter, and the other type will cost you 120 rupees per liter.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Take care.
Yes, sir. So would you like to taste it?
Yeah, sure.
मैंने उनको डोनेशन दी थी 4-4 लाख पे
अच्छा अच्छा
नया नया था ना तो काफ़ी सस्ते में काम हो जाएगा
अच्छा हाँ तब तो
ये स्टोर में मिलता है?
Please do this outside, not inside the promenade, please.
Sure, sir. That's sure, sir.
Even serving outside.
Okay.
इसको ऐसे पकड़ लो ऐसे so this is the milk just giving me a sample it's very tasty, very delicious, and you should try it out. It's an amazing thing. This is my morning walk at Bandra, and I shoot these kind of stories. These are stories that touch human hearts. Thank you very much. Take care. All the best.
Thank you very much, sir. So you are a blogger?
No, I am not. I'm a fashion designer.
Okay.
I'm an actor also. Pada poster nikla hero.
Okay.
5, 3, 4.
काय भाई कैसे आप ठीक है? That is my friend Majid over there. He's got elephantiasis. He comes to bathe over there. Keeps himself clean. He's fasting Ramzan, and he begs at Mount Mary. This is now I am walking the last leg of Bandstand. Now I will walk up Cane Road. That's Cane Road. It's a steep climb. It is perhaps the toughest part of my morning walk, because I am a diabetic. I haven't walked much. I played tennis for 5 years under coach Surendra Pawar at Bandra Reclamation. So there is some. This is the walk. And Cane Road. This is Cane Road I'm climbing up. And this Cane Road takes me to Mount Mary. This Cane Road. If you walk up, if you live in Bandra, want to lose weight, all you got to do is come to Bandstand, walk up Kane Road 3 or 4 times, and believe me, you will certainly lose weight. Really tires me this climb, but I try. I'm now going to a new diabetologist, Firdaus Sheikh. I was earlier going to Shashank Joshi, but Mr. Joshi doesn't have time. He's mostly in America. So I decided to go to someone who's really new and diabetologist. 7-8 years. She's given me some medicines, everything. My sugar was 385. In a week, it has come down to 280. For the last 2 years, I did not take a blood sugar reading. Last 3 years, I did not go to Shashank Joshi. I just gave up. I was disillusioned. I didn't have a glucometer. Then my friend Vipin Tanna, fashion designer, gave me the glucometer. So I don't have to go to Rita Nichanki, where the service has gone from bad to worse. Even to a senior citizen like me who has patronized that pathology lab for many, many years. There's no humanity, no humility. So I decided no more to go there and take the sugar reading at home. My wife has diabetes, my sons have diabetes, daughter has diabetes. My mother had diabetes. So it's part of our life. I've been lucky in life. I had some good doctor friends who never took money from me. One doctor was Dr. Naveen. He never took. Dr. Naveen had his Dr. Sage nursing home at Cuff Parade, Kolaba. He never took money from me at all. His sister was Lekha. I'll never forget Dr. Naveen. After that, before that, there was also Dr. Bhumisa at Kolaba. SP Bhumisa, he died. He had a clinic at Woodhouse Road and at Shuklaji Street. My circumcision was done there. And then Dr. Waghela, Kolaba Strand Cinema. Dr. Suchak at Warsaw never takes money from me. One of the most beautiful doctors I've ever met. A great friend. Dr. Mani, radiologist. Dr. Pai, radiologist, another great friend. And then, last but not the least, Dr. Parma. He's been taking care of me without taking any money from me at all. And I forced the money onto him. Dr. Parma is the only doctor in Bandra who has a large number of Muslim patients. He remembers all their names. His father is Dhirubhai Parmar, who has a tailor shop. His son Ravi just died recently. He was another good friend. He used to do all my fashion related jobs. So in life there have been some great influences as far as doctors are concerned. And I met a gentleman called Mr. Ray Fonseca of Bandra Residents Committee of Association, Bandra Bandstand Association. I was telling him, Mr. Fonseca, about no security, and he says, who will pay for the security? Will you pay for the security? So, because they don't get any money. They have no sponsors. I told him that I would put this across to Advocate Ashish Shelar, because Mr. Shelar is doing a lot of beautification of Bandra. He should see to this, because Bandstand is a beautiful place, much better than Carter Road even, if you really go to see. And then you have Kane Road to walk. And when you walk up Kane Road, at the right side, near cliff, is a dargah of Jafar Baba, Mastan, Rafai. Do visit it. It's a very beautiful place. And then there is Mount Mary's church. A little ahead is Sneha Sadan, where all the people who have terminal illness come to die in peace. Mount Mary. After I finish Mount Mary, I shall walk to Good Luck, and then from Good Luck back to Baroda Road and my home. So this is Kane Road. This is Kane Road. Mr. Siraj Anwar used to stay here, cinematographer. He did a lot of work for some very, very big films. I know him through Mr. Raj Daddu Sippy. So, Vaheguru. So this is, I've reached Kane Road. And now to Mount Mary. One good thing about this stretch, Mount Mary and Kane Road, are the sweepers of BMC that keep this place beautifully cleaned, and they do their work without talking, without any nuisance. So this is that is Mount Mary Church. Jai Maharashtra. So this is Mount Mary, the most beautiful place in Bandra. I come here every morning to pay my humble tribute to Mount Mary. And these are the candle stores. These are the candle stores of Bandra. Hope you can see them.